Hey guys, Kevin Fada here, and welcome to the demo overview video for WP Conversion Tracker. I do believe this is probably the most powerful WordPress plugin and tracking plugin that you will find. There is so many features that we're going to cover in this. So just for full transparency here, I'm going to be revealing a lot of information such as names, emails, tracking numbers. Every single bit of information you see inside this is 100% fake data. So I just uploaded a bunch of fake data. Nothing is real. The names are not real. The emails are not real. So just keep that in mind. I couldn't do a proper overview video with our own tracking. We needed to do it this way. So let's get started. This is your main dashboard. You can see obviously the dashboard range today, yesterday, 7 days, 30 days, this year, lifetime, and obviously you have a custom calendar here as well. You've got different chart types. You can view it that way. For me, one of the most powerful things about this plugin is the hourly sales. And just to explain that, there's no other tracking plugin or script out there that can track your sales across JVZoo, Warrior Plus, all your own products, anything you're doing on any other network, and compile them all together and say, okay, you get the most clicks in this case at 8 p.m. and you get the most sales in this case at 7 p.m. And you can do it, for example, every day could be different. Today could be it's only basically it's during the day. Let's have a look at yesterday. Yesterday, hourly, you can see the different click trends and the different revenue over 7 days. This is just really good information about when to email your list and when to market, when to post on social media. Here you can see the top performing links, the countries that the traffic is coming, the top performing leads, the number of leads, the top performing sales. And then here you've got recent clicks and recent conversions. Now, what gets really, really cool when you go into conversions, I'll just go straight into that now because I just want to cover this part. It is just really cool. You can see here that everything is going to be tracked between your own marketing, JVZoo, and Warrior Plus. And we'll be adding basically more of a mapping feature here now, but it is really cool. We just take, for example, that you could click on Margaret Smith's name. And from there, if the market clicked other links or clicked purchase other products or anything like that, or this email, they will show up here like this. So you can see it's using the same email for the demo. So that email will be connected to other products and the same as the name. And it's just really cool. You can see a timeline of all the sales. There could be the sub ID here as well. You've got the affiliate where it came from. So let's say you want to see the affiliate order income from Warrior Plus or JVZoo. So let's just check out auto income from Warrior Plus and commission max from JVZoo. So what we're going to do here now is, it mightn't have worked in a new window, auto income. So here you can see auto income, all of the sales that auto income affiliate has sent us. You can see their sub ID that they've used, the sub ID that was maybe put in place. You can see what products they've sold, the customer's email, absolutely everything. And let's just go back to JVZoo, commission max. The same here. You can see how many sales they've sent, the timeline of the sales, absolutely everything. So basically, we've made this. If we go along here, there's actually more information here as well. We've made everything clickable. So you click on an IP link, you will see what that person has clicked, the date they've clicked it, the time, and you can obviously block the IP as well. We also have in here the meta, so you can see exactly what is being collected and everything like that is really cool. And if you want to delete conversions in any way, you can delete that. So that is the conversions tab. Let's go into, there's a lot in this, guys. It is just outstanding. So this is creating a new link. And so basically, you put in the link name, you put in the slug, you put in the destination URL, you can put in tracking submitters, parameters, and then you can put in how to assign the conversion to the last click, or if you want to use funnels, you can assign it to the first click. You've got tracking codes, and you've actually a public feed as well. I'm not sure if public feed is going to work but I can show you a public feed on my own site. There's no sensitive data there. So basically, anytime you create a link, you can choose an option to show in the public feed. Give it a title, give it an image and a description, and it will show here. I'm actually using my homepage site here, so people can actually go back and see what links you're creating if they missed an email, or you could basically, these will rank in SEO as well. So it's a really, really cool feature in that. So that is create a link. Here we go into all of our links. You've got a completely sortable table. Everything again is clickable. Sorry, once you go into stats, everything is clickable. But here you've got stats. You can copy the link URL. You can edit the link. You can preview the link. And this is a really, really cool feature. It doesn't matter if it's your sales page, a bonus page, a download page, an opt-in page. You can split test anything you want, create different variations, and you've got an option here. You can auto declare the winner after the minimum or maximum amount of conversions that you set. So that is an absolutely awesome, cool feature that's built in. Okay, here you can see what's hidden in the field, etc. This is links. You can search the links. There's different filters as well. Minimum revenue, leads, has sales, and the date. Okay, the tracking works across the board for pretty much any network you want. You've got JVZoo, ClickBank, Stripe, and obviously we can implement it to pretty much any network as well. We have created two specific add-on plugins which are included in the bundle deal, the JVZoo add-on and the Warrior Plus add-on. So the way the JVZoo Connect works, will work for the vendor and it'll work for an affiliate. So you can pull in all the sales for both. And it's really, really cool in this sense. So you have a step-by-step setup wizard here, but it's very, very easy. You're given a JVZoo notification URL, how it buys, instructions, and then you've got all the IP and fields that JVZoo allow. This is all pretty much built in for when you want to get your tracking code. If you come along, it's built into here. And I'm an affiliate. It's the step-by-step setup wizard again. And you're just given a link like that. It is just works flawlessly. Security is built in to protect your site. So basically it hides your JVZoo key, etc. So it doesn't matter if people have these URLs, they will not be able to access any data. And here we go to JVZoo conversions. So you can see the product, the full name, the affiliate that's driving the traffic, the email, absolutely everything. Again, everything is clickable. So let's just click on whatever webinar funnel builder. I can click on that. I can see all the sales for that product, the name of the customer, the vendor, everything. There's going to be more information over here. The customer, the raw data, the IP address. So that is JVZoo. Connect, you've got, okay, this is another cool feature, but we'll talk about Warrior Plus Connect first. It's more or less the same as JVZoo. And there's one really, really cool feature to this. Here you've got the vendor tracking or affiliate tracking link. Is it vendor tracking link? The affiliate works the same. JVZoo has all the features. Many of us have been using it for years. Warrior Plus and JVZoo, these have been in place. We just haven't been using them. I think they were very complicated. We've just made this super, super simple. Just everything is copy and paste, really. You've got pages and snippets. So these are tracking links that you can put on your delivery page or your upsell or download page. And you can see basically you'll be collecting the customer email, the product name, absolutely everything. It just, again, works flawlessly. You have Warrior Plus conversions there. If you just want to see Warrior Plus conversions, all of the sales, the sale ID, the affiliate, the vendor. So basically, these would be affiliate sales and your own sales as well. Next, your security built in again. So let's just talk about import CSV files. On my main site, I can open it up here. There's nothing shared on the homepage, but basically I was able to import 2,100 links from ClickMagick in less than 30 seconds. I uploaded it to my site. And from there, in general, I don't need my ClickMagick account anymore. It's something that just everything that I personally use and need is built in here. And in my opinion, just much, much better. So that is CSV import. It gives you the link slug, the title, the URL. And if you want more information, let us know. If you want to be able to import something, there's no problem as well. W Plus Connect we covered. Here we have split tests. So basically this will all show with the results once you create split tests. We have link rotators here, the rotator name, the destination URL, and how you would like to the rotation mode, and then you got maximum clicks. For example, you're selling solo ads, you're selling traffic, everything is built in. Here we have the IP activity log. Just every single click is monitored, and there's a built-in search feature as well, which basically covers absolutely everything. You can see a timeline of your clicks, of your traffic, and everything like that. And another cool feature here as well, which are it's all built in. So basically, you would like to choose a QR code for your link. You would like to see the size. You would like to change the color. You would like the background a different color. This will probably look ugly, but whatever. Okay, cool. So we have our QR code. It automatically, anytime a link is created, it creates a QR code for it as well. So you don't have to worry about that. You can embed the QR code anywhere you want. It's just got some really, really cool features. Right, inside settings is you'll have your license key, you'll have oops, the team settings, the layout settings for the public feed, for a redirect, where to send the people, show data in public feed. You can turn that on or off. You can assign the feed as your homepage, which is basically what I did on my main site. You can export all your links, and I think this is a very powerful feature. Let's say, for example, you want to import into another site or anything like that. You just want the data. You can export all of the data here as well. You can clear all the data, clear previous data if you want. You can reset all your stats, block your own IP address, and you've got IPN debug log as well. So that is just absolutely fantastic plugin. So if any questions, let me know. Cheers.